Jeff Bezos is the richest person in modern history alive. His estimated net worth is around $180 billion, according to Forbes. Bezos is so rich that, according to Business Insider, in 2018, spending $88,000 to him is similar to an average American spending $1. Bezos is one of the largest landowners in America. He owns a 5.3-acre home in Medina, Washington, with a value of $25 million. Guess who his neighbor is? Yes, you guessed it, Bill Gates, the second richest person on earth. He also owns a $23 million townhouse in Washington, D.C., and here his neighbors are the Obamas. He also owns a $25 million mansion in Beverly Hills with 3 apartments in New York City with total value of $70 million. His largest real estate purchase is a 30,000-acre ranch in Van Horn, Texas, and this serves as a base for his space exploration company, Blue Origin. How does he go around these properties, you would ask? He owns a $65 million jet. He has made some investment through his expedition. He has personally invested in Google, Uber, Airbnb, and more, including purchase of the Washington Post in 2013 for a staggering amount of $250 million. Jeff Bezos added $13 billion to his net worth on Monday, 20th July 2020, and this is his highest one-day increase, according to Business Insider. How did he do this? According to the Bloomberg Billionaires Index, while the US economy has shrunk due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the founder of the online shopping giant Amazon has gained $74 billion this year. This brings his total net worth to $189.3 billion. Bezos' wealth is now higher than the individual market valuation of ExxonMobil, Nike, McDonald's. Breaking down his wealth, he could be spending $2,489 per second. No wonder he's the richest man on earth.